Hey guys, Dr. Justin Marcagiani here. Today we're going to be talking about gut microbiome. It's complex. The microbiome plays a major role with your health because you could have dysbiotic flora, you could have pro-beneficial flora like bifidobacter, like lactobacillus, like bacillus. These play a major important role with the immune system, with endogenous secretion of nutrients like B12, like vitamin K2, like other B vitamins. Also produces different acids like acetic acid, can also produce things like butyric acid, right? Butyrate. These are important things that help feed the microbiome that allow the commensal bacteria to grow, which then allows the other beneficial bacteria to grow as well. So we have commensal bacteria in the gut. These are like your Bacteroides and your Firmicutes. These are your like big families of bacteria. They're normal bacteria. And if they're out of balance, that can impact digestion, that can impact absorption, it can cause more bloating. Again, the beneficial bacteria plays a major role in keeping a lot of the commensal bacteria in check, as well as the dysbiotic in check. And good prebiotic fibers also help feed the beneficial bacteria, and it helps feed the commensal bacteria. I'll see patients on like a carnivore diet, and we'll see their commensal bacteria kind of rocked, like very, very low. So we know restricting carbohydrate, restricting bad foods can definitely suppress it, but also beneficial fibers, squash, avocado, safe starches, that can be very helpful in bringing that flora back up. Again, gut dysbiosis, this is nothing more than bad bacteria overgrowth. We have more bad bacteria than good. These type of bacteria could be things like Proteus, Morganella, Citrobacter, Pseudomonas. That's good for, I think, top 5 are Proteus, Citrobacter, Klebsiella, Morganella. That's a good one. Those are your big 5 or 6 or so. And they're going to produce lots of dysbiotic, or they're going to produce lots of things like lipopolysaccharides. They're going to produce endotoxins, and they're going to eat or take up a lot of the good nutrients coming in. They also can produce gases that are going to impact motility. They will produce things like methane and hydrogen that will impact how your bowels move. Really important out of the gates. And so we have a beneficial ratio of bacteria. We want ideally 80-20. The Pareto principle is a pretty good principle. We want more good bacteria than bad. Typically 80-20 is pretty good. Again, commensal bacteria, like I mentioned, you want, somewhat in the middle range here. When we run a lot of these tests, we'll see people that have lots of high commensal bacteria. People that have commensal bacteria that's pretty high, a lot of times you'll have dysbiotic bacteria too, or commensal bacteria is really low. A lot of times you'll see that with low carbers, which is also fine too. You can also build that back up with prebiotic fibers too. All right, guys, Dr. J here signing off. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know in the comments. Appreciate it. You want to dive in, get functional medicine support from myself and staff. We see patients all over the world. If you want to dive in, there'll be coordinates down below and link where you can reach out. All right, guys, have a phenomenal day. Take care. Bye.